Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the bottle of jam. So let's get begin. First, I'm going to draw the cap of the bottle. So draw exactly according to me. After making the cap of jam bottle, I'm going to make the bottle. So draw the bottle according to me. Now friends, I'm going to draw the lines on the cap. These lines are called friction lines. Yes, now I draw the title and write the jam on it. Yes friends, the spelling of jam is J-A-M, jam. Right. Now friends, let's come and color the cap together and the bottle of jam together. I color the friction cap with gray. Now I color the jam bottle with light pink.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh.
Yes friends, are you enjoying to making the jam bottle together?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he
Yes friends, after coloring the jam bottle with pink, I'm going to color the bubble letter of jam with yellow.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Then I outline it with orange.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a goat, E-I-E-I-O.
Then I color the tagline with mint color.
Bleat there, here a bleat, there a bleat, everywhere a bleat, bleat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now friends, I'm going to color the top of the cap bottle with purple.
E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now friends, I'm going to make the chunks of orange fruits.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a donkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a bray-bray here and a bray-bray there, here a bray, there a bray, everywhere a
Lastly, I take the black marker to enhance the outer lines of the jam bottle. Awesome! Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.